Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Tech Drip X, and I'm here to bring you the PowerExtra cable charging kit that I brought for my ZV-E10 Sony, which I am recording in right now. So yeah, let's check it out. This is an open box video, and we're gonna see what we got in here. So look, came pretty stored. Looks like they compact and filled everything in here. See what we got. So first, I'm gonna go ahead with the charger itself, which is the charger pack. So you have 1 channel, 2 channel, and once again, this is from PowerExtra. I am not being sponsored by them. Only a few couple items from them or products that are working in my favor. I'll say I haven't had any issues with them at all. They work. I had brought one of these for my Canon T7 camera. Got that same kind of battery pack with the 2 spaces, channel 1, channel 2. Also comes with a USB cable connected to it. That's just the only thing I would say that I don't like about it. It's just that this cable here is short, but I get the compact and the whole, fit in your bag and just no cables hanging kind of thing. Also, it could have come with a plug where you can just plug it, like a little, area where you just have to plug it in the socket. But the good thing is they do have a USB-C. You see it, USB-C right there. Now I do have this here, which is the, what you want to call it, digital video camera, digital power. So it's a mini DV digital video battery, and it's lithium, iron. So let's go ahead and open this up. Look at this. This is small, just like the original battery for the Sony ZV-E10. It's pretty much like the same size. The only thing I could say I don't see on here, which I know is a different brand, but don't expect to get the Sony, the Sony holograph little sign label here somewhere on one of the sides. Don't expect to get that, but we can test it out as well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plug this in channel 1. So this is what the inside look like right here. All right, so what I'm gonna do is put it on there. All right, so it fits. I don't wanna push it too hard, but let me also make sure it can get out. It was kind of rough for me to get it out, but the keys and the metal things in here still looks good, so that's a good thing. Also, this is number 2 right here. Number 2. All the same, pretty much. I don't see anything different. It's not supposed to be different, but I'm just, looking at it and try to see if any defective little area that may be, defective or whatnot. So both of them fit in here, which is good. No problem. Like I mentioned, you can either charge it with a USB cable, or you can either charge it through a USB-C. Looks like they gave us a little white cloth here. Pretty cool. Little white cloth there, you know what I'm saying? I could use this just to wipe my camera lens too as well. So that would be very. Also, let's not forget, this is like the main thing here. If you don't have this, at least you got this. But if you're at a place where you need to connect your USB-C cable and you have a USB part to connect to an outlet or either a USB adapter, you could definitely charge your battery pack with the batteries on there and get it going. And this is like a cool thing you can have, because you might have a battery pack where it has a USB and you can just plug it on there and just go ahead and film or do your photography or whatever you want to do with the camera. But just know that you will not run out of power because you are backed up with these 2 extra batteries. So it's a pretty good product. What I'll do, I'll plug it in, that way I can show you. It works. Right now you have channel 1 and channel 2 currently charging. And yeah, seems like it works. There's nothing else I would want to say that is bad about it besides having a short USB thing on here. So I'm gonna let this charge and take full charge, so that way I can use the ZV-E-10 that I'm currently recording on. But also I'll go ahead and put this here in the description, let you guys know where you can find it or where to buy it. It will help this channel to grow. And once again, this probably will be my first YouTube channel for my gadget reviews, or should I say tech reviews. And yeah, not bad. Well, feel free to like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to know and what you would like to see next on this video. And thank you. I appreciate it. See ya.